Blue Lollipop English for Kids. In this video we will learn the names of some foods. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Chicken. Chicken. Bernard is preparing a delicious chicken. Meat. Meat. The meat is being cooked in the pan. Sausage. Sausage. With sausage we make hot dog. Rice. Rice. This kitten likes to eat rice. Bean. Bean. Beans can be of different colors. Soup. Soup. Making soup is very easy. Salad. Salad. Eating salad is very good for your health. Hamburger. Hamburger. How about we eat hamburgers for lunch? French fries. French fries. French fries are my favorite food. Pizza. Pizza. Do you know any pizza recipes? Egg. Egg. I'm going to fry an egg in the pan. Bread. Bread. I like to eat bread with butter. Cheese. Cheese. I will put the cheese on the plate. Ham. Ham. Someone is eating this ham. Pasta. Pasta. I like to eat pasta, and you? Fish. Fish. Mom is cooking fish for our family. Do you remember what we learned? What is the name of this food? Cheese. What is the name of this food? Egg. What is the name of this food? Rice. What is the name of this food? French fries. We hope you enjoyed our video. See you in the next one.